Hi everyone, it's the 4th of February 2022 and I'm here at Nortoff Lane next to Daventry International Rail Freight Terminal. It's a little bit of a cold day, it was even snowing a little bit this morning, but it's brightened up and there's some blue skies, and we've got Backbone 90039 and Malcolm 90024 coming later, which is my main target. But to start the day off, this is 88003 working 4S44 Daventry to Moss End. So that was 88006 working 4M27 from Moss End running into Daventry. So just for those who may not be familiar where I am, I'm on the West Coast Main Line Northampton Loop between Rugby and Longbuckby. The site is known as Derft, Daventry International Rail Freight Terminal. There's a number of warehouses here which I'll show you now. So this is looking to the northeast of the bridge, and that's the Eddie Stobart warehouse. For those of you that watch Smile Video Trains, you'll be familiar with his water train. You can see some of the wagons in the siding there, and you can see the pallets of bottled water all alongside the warehouse. So now we're looking to the southeast, and that's the Tesco warehouse and distribution centre. You can see the siding in the foreground that leads next to the Stobart warehouse, and then the lines go off into the distance into Daventry Yard, where some of the trains can be marshalled there. And then you might just be able to make out a line going up to the middle left behind the trees that goes down to the Sainsbury's warehouse. So that's the road and the bridge, which you can see is fairly high sided, so some steps are quite handy if you want to do any shots off there. This is the cutout somebody's made in the hedge, which give you your views looking south for any trains coming northbound. It's quite a tight gap, so if it gets busy, if there's something interesting on, it can be a bit of a squeeze to fit in. And then we've got similar on the other side. Again, there's a bit of a tree gets in the way of your shot, so this can be quite tight when something interesting is coming. And you can park your car down there on the verge, so it's quite handy, and you can always go and sit in the car and keep warm if the weather's bad and just watch the maps and see what's coming. (66.511) there, working 4M94 Felixstowe to Lawley Street. Bit of a gap now, about half an hour, so it's time for a warm in the car and something to eat. (66.523) there, working 4L46 Lawley Street to London Gateway. As you can probably see, we've lost the sun now. Looks like there might be even a bit of rain to the north, so it's back to the car for a bit. 90.039 and 90.024 there, working 4M25 missing to Daventry. And so lucky getting that in sunshine, well worth the trip over. But we've still got some more to come, including a nice little bonus on the Crewe to Wembley. (66.541) working 4M63 Felixstowe to Trafford Park. (66.601) there, running light engine today from Wealdstone to Tansted. Normally that would be 6H50 with wagons, so guess there must be some issue with the wagons in London. (66.773) in Pride livery there, working 6B92 Tansted to Northampton Yard. And again, how lucky was that with the sun? Well, how's that for a finish? 90.029 there, working OA06 Crewe to Wembley, just clearing in time for 66.955, working 4M58 Southampton to Garston. Thanks for joining me today, hope you've enjoyed it, we'll see you next time. Are you still watching? Good. Hopefully got a nice surprise coming at the end of this. We should have 3 or 4 freight coming during the next 45 minutes, and the last one in particular is something special, which is the reason why I've hung on an extra about an hour and a quarter. I lost the sun now as expected, but I definitely think hanging on for this one's worth it, so wait and see. (4M47) London Gateway to Hams Hall there with 66.766. 66570 there, working 4L90 Trafford Park to Felixstowe. So going away from us there, that was 66525, working 4M88 Felixstowe to Ditton. And just coming towards us now, we should have 66704, working 4L67 Birch Coppice to London Gateway. So that was 4M87 Felixstowe to Trafford Park there, with Ocean Network Express livery 66587, towing Genesee and Wyoming livery 90015 and 90005. Quite a colour combination there. I think that was worth hanging on for. Thank you very much for staying with me right till the end. Hope to see you next time.